Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install and download Node as well as NPM in your Windows system. Okay, so let's start. First, you have to go to some browser and here search for download Node.js. So once you search for it, you can check the first result, or if it is not the first, just check the URL. It should be nodejs.org. So just click on this. And once you come to this page, I will also paste this URL in the description. And here you can see we have two things. One is latest node version, as well as it includes the npm also. So you have to just go down, and here you can see Windows installer, or as per your preference you can just go here Windows installer, and here you can see 32-bit or 64-bit. So just click on this 64-bit, and it will start downloading the node for you. And once it's got downloaded, uh, then we can start the installation. So let it download first. Okay, so now you can see the download has been completed. So you have to just run this file. If it is not showing here, you can go to your downloaded location and just click on that. So I'm just clicking on it. So it will start the downloading process for you. And here we can see this Node.js setup window wizard opened. So here you have to just click on next. So once you click on next, it will show some terms and conditions. Just click on accept, and then again click on next. And now here it shows the location where you wanted to install it. So you can keep it as a default, and then click on next. And here it asks for setting like all the things. So here you can keep all the things as default, whichever is selected, and again click on next. And here you can see you have tools for native modules, and here also it is showing automatically install the necessary tools. So if you want, you can select this also. Otherwise you can just keep it as default and click on next, and here again click on install. So you can now see the installing of this node.js has been started, and it will take some time, so wait for it to get completed. Also, it may ask some permission to install this. So if you got some prompt pop up, just click on yes to give the permission, and then you can see the setup, the installation got started, and now you can see it is completed also. Node.js has been successfully installed. We get the message. So we can now click on finish, and now we have to check whether it is installed correctly or not. So to check that, just open any command prompt. So just type for cmd, and here we have to search for node hyphen hyphen version. So now we can see v 18.13.0 is set up here. Similarly, we can check the npm version also. So npm hyphen hyphen version, and here we can see the version of npm is 8.19.3. So in this way you can install this npm and node. And one more thing, if you are getting if you are not getting the correct version here, or you are getting some error, that means you need to set the environment variable. So to do that, just go to your C drive where this is installed right now. So just go to C drive, and here go inside program files, and here go to node.js. So this is the current location of installed, and just copy this location. And now you have to search for system environment variable. So you can type system environment and just open this. Here click on environment variables, and here in this system variables, just go to the path, and here click on edit, and here click on new, and paste that location. So you can see it's already pasted in my since I it already did while installation. So if it is not there, you can add in your system. So I already have, so I'm not adding it. And you can then click on OK, and then again OK. So it will add that, and one more OK. So it will add in your system environment variable. And now you can open another CMD and then check the version. So you will be able to now see the version in your system. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video.